Today, I'm cross-stitching from a pattern. Some assembly required. A little while ago, I got this cute book full of little cross-stitch patterns. I mean, I did think they would be smaller, but this is about real size for the kind of fabric that I'm using. Maybe I should try a different fabric. I don't know. They're fine this size. They're a good starting point, and I think they're kind of a good base to make some changes so that you end up with something that you actually really like. So you can change the color, or you can change the pattern, or like change the thing that's inside them. Luckily, a lot of them seem to be sort of the same size, so you could like take a piece of this and add it onto that. So I picked this little kitty here, and then I made some changes. I turned it into a bunny in a smaller box with a different color. It might still look like a mutant kitty, but it's cute. Let's see how it goes. I started by finding the middle and stitching the eyes and mouth so I could find my place in my big wide open fabric. I've got all my threads and needles ready to go, so I think I'll start with the black outline, which will involve a lot of counting and recounting, so I make sure to get it right. I lose my place really easily. At this stage, it looks a lot like Pikachu, but I think that will just be temporary. Ta-da! The outline is complete. That took some time, but everything seems to be in the right place. Now, I think I'll start adding color to the box. I'll start with the dark blue inside the box, because that's a nice small section. Then the box flaps. Next, I'll make the white dots. I think it's probably better to start with the white. I have no idea. They're subtle, but it will look better than leaving them blank. I'll also add the white on his face while I'm at it. Does it look different? Not really? Now I'll just fill in the box. Cute! I like it so far. It's like a tiny sky. Now all that's left is the brown and the pink. I guess I'll do pink next? Aw, look at those cheeks! And finally, I'll fill in the brown. Finished! He turned out so cute. Now, let's compare him to his inspiration kitty. Definitely different, but it was fun to make him all mine. There you have it. So in my opinion, this is a pretty fun book. I like the patterns in it. They're nice and simple. They only use standard X's, like full cross stitches instead of the halves and the quarters and the back stitches and everything like that, which is cool. It's good for beginners, I think, or people that just want a simpler cross stitch experience without having to be like, wait, what am I doing? What, huh? So it's kind of cool for me to be able to see what you can make with just full stitches, so that of course I can get it in my brain and try to think of, oh, what kind of design should I make? I don't know. But it's cool to see what you can do without all of the fussy stitches, just plain simple X's, which appeals to me. Sometimes you just want something simple. Also, they're really cute right out of the book, but you can also adapt them, change them around, change the colors and the styles and whatever to make them something that you actually want to stitch. Because if you're going to make an entire cross stitch, you should probably like it, I think. I don't know if I could do a whole thing where I was like, oh, this is stupid. The next thing that I would like to try for cross stitch is, got these 2 kits at Joann. The cool thing about them, you kind of see them. The cool thing about them is that they sort of combine stitches in a different way than I've seen before. So of course I would like to try that. Maybe I will learn something that I can put into my own designs. Let me know in the comments which one you think I should do. I am leaning towards the mushroom because it is more different from anything else that I've done. That is just how I like to go. I am curious how those will turn out. If you are too, stick around. It probably won't be the next video unless I really feel like cross-stitching, and then it will be. There's no way to know. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos come out every Saturday. So until the next one, be awesome, and I'll see you then. Bye!